Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some mocktails that my kids really love. Every now and again, especially in the summer months when we're having some nice fun outside, I like to make some cocktails, but the kids want to join in. So obviously I'm not going to be giving them the Cosmos and stuff that I'm making. So I invented these, and they are, they look really tropical and fun. And of course they are completely free of alcohol. If you want to make a more grown-up version, just pop in a couple of shots of vodka and there you go, job's done. I'm using these are Frugo, they're brilliant. This is green with yerba mate extract, and this is Frugo Blueberry with Kombucha. Both of these are available in Tesco. I don't know if they're available in other supermarkets, but I assume so. But they're just off the shelf and they are fab because they're fruity and lovely and they go really well. I'm also going to be using this Vimto, which is the raspberry, orange and passion fruit one. So that's nice and flavoursome. And just some good old-fashioned lemonade and just plain orange juice. So the first one I'll do this one first, which is just the orange juice. Just pour in, you know, a reasonable amount of OJ there. Then it's really simple. Top up with some lemonade. There you go. And then, just to make it a cool lime green colour, put in some of the green Frugo. And there you have it. It looks quite potent. It's really citrusy and lovely. Just to make it a little more exciting, I'm going to pop in some slices of strawberry on the top. Just makes it a little bit more tropical. And instead of orange and lemon, which we get all the time, I mean, you can put an orange lemon. Oh, I always nervous, I'm going to cut myself. A slice of apple, which I'm sure you can get it thinner. But for me, I am just using it this way. So the other thing I was going to say was, to stop the apple going brown, a little bit of lemon juice. Just rub it. I don't know if you can see that, actually. I've got the drinks in the way. That's very handy, isn't it, for a how-to video. Just rub the sliced lemon on the slice of apple like that. And then it won't go brown, and it'll be quite nice and citrusy. Cut a tiny little piece out like that. Just a minute little piece, and then pop that on the edge, and you have one mocktail. For the second one, it's going to be just straight lemonade. Straight lemonade makes it sound a bit more potent than it is. So just pop in the lemonade, and then we pop in the blue Frugo. Top that up like that. Now you could leave it plain blue like that if you wanted. I think it always tastes a little bit more tropical with some of this in, and it turns it slightly purpley, as you can see, sort of pinky purpley there. And again, you can have another chopped sliced strawberry in there, more tropical loveliness. And if I could do this without cutting myself, because you guys know I'm a bit clumsy. Wow, I managed it. Yay me. Just take out the pips. And again, get your lemon. Rub it all over the apple slice like that. So it stays beautiful colour. And I will take the slice from here. Little wedge like that comes out, and then on the side, and there we have it. Two beautiful mocktails, fit for anything really, party time, Tuesday, whatever. So enjoy, and again, mix match, do what you like, experiment, have fun. As I said, if you want to make them more grown up and you don't want to put in vodka, you can use Galliano, you can use Midori. I always find a little bit of grenadine at the bottom as well of these, just makes it nice because you get a little traffic light thing, a little bit of red at the bottom. Gin, that's very popular at the moment. Or even, instead of lemonade, top it up with Prosecco. But again, this is, as I said, this is the mocktail version, so just do whatever takes fancy, do whatever combination. As usual, do let me know what you do. I love to find out how you're doing, what new adventures you've done with these, and photos, of course, would be really lovely. Again, hashtag Berkshire Housewife. Thanks again for watching, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Bye.